sides here. I'll take this out. I had this in there to stop it, the wheel from spinning. Let's go ahead and get this off here. Take this off here, and if you're wondering what size this is, I think it's 34 millimeters, so that's what you would need to take this off here. Set this over here, out of the way. Let's pull, let's see, it should come out. Go ahead, push this out here. Voila, it's out. I'll set this axle here. And from here, I'm gonna go ahead and just take the chain off. Make sure you move the brake caliper out of the way here. Give me the hard time, let's see. We go. That wasn't too bad. Set this somewhere. Take some tires off now. Like I said, I'm going to replace this sprocket with the new one that I have, same size, so I didn't change the size. Still is a 45. Only thing that changed is the tooth pitch, and it's going to a 520.